Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video. This is Tech Homie here, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create awesome and ultimate thumbnails by using Photopea, which is an online editor. So let's start. Open your browser and then search for Photopea and open it. Okay, after that click on new project and keep the dimensions to 1280 by 720 and click on create. Okay, so I will increase the size of my page a little. Okay, now go to files and click on open and place, and then you can get this file in the description, retropack, and open it. Okay, so then what you need to do is to go to view one and click fit the area. After that go to the cover, unhide it and delete the cover, and then go to the stock images option, unhide it, and then from here you can select your favorite one. Let's try. Okay, so I will select this one, number 10. So after that what you need to do simply is type T on your keyboard for the text option and then type in anything. So I will type thumbnail tutorial. So thumbnail, and okay, so make the size to 200, keep in the middle. Okay, so change the color to white. Okay, after that click on this options effect and then click on outer glow. Untick this and then go to Reddit overlay. Select this one and make it a little darker than the white. This is okay. After that go to the inner glow, change the color to white, change the blend mode to color dodge and set the opacity to 100. Give the spread to almost 8% and the size to around 13 or 13%. After that go to stroke, then click on plus icon for another stroke. Change the first one to black around 9%. Change the second one to white and make it around 21% or 20, 19 or 21% and click on OK. So then we will give him this test related warp. So go to the warp option, then from here you can select warp and the styles you want to choose. So I'm going to select the arc upper one and make it a little like 16%. That's okay. Now what you need to do is click on the thumbnail and press Ctrl plus J. So that will make a copy. So this will make a copy, and now I will write tutorial. Okay, I will go to warp and I will make it to none and make the size a little bigger than the before first one. I will change it to 220 and that's okay. Okay, so now let's change the gradient overlays of the tutorial one. So go to the effect and click on gradient overlay. Go to the gradient tab and then I will make it orange, or you can make it any color you want. So I'm gonna make it just to the orange one. Okay, orange. I will make this one a little darker than orange. A little darker. That's it. After that you can change the inner glow to orange, but I recommend changing the inner glow to keep the inner glow to the almost white. That will give a glow to your text. Then select the second stroke and you can change this one also to orange, darker orange, and that will do it. Okay, so now we are done with the text. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the borders tab, and now if you want to select or keep borders, you can keep borders. I want to keep, so let's check the borders. You can have any border when you want. So I will have this one, number 4 one. So now we're done with the borders. So after that let's now add effects to our thumbnail. So grab the effects and keep place it under the text, unhide that, and I will add the fourth one. Okay, and now what you need to do is to click this half circle, go to the curves tab, then change the channel to red. Make this, let me edit this one, then select green, increase this one, decrease this one, then select blue, increase this one, and also increase this one. Okay, so now we're done with our thumbnail. From here you can add any smokes if you want. I don't want to add any smoke. So now we can add lights to our thumbnail. So you can add lights from here. I will add this number 3. Okay, so now we are done with the thumbnail, and let's export it. Go to files and click on export as JPG. Set the quality to 100%. You can name it and then click on save. And that's it. Boom.